Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to all of you in my MS Excel video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about NDT calculation by using MS Excel. In this video tutorial, we will try to learn how to calculate NDT coverage or NDT calculation by using the Excel. Hopefully it will be very helpful for you whoever is actually working in engineering site, especially piping or structures, whatever. In our project is very challenging is NDT calculation. We know all of you. During project starting to end, we are struggling to covering the NDT. Actually, sometimes we are helpless how we will cover the NDT and how we can get we can achieve our NDT at a time the project finish. Sometimes we see project is going to be finished, but still NDT is so many is balanced due to our lack of NDT calculation knowledge. I hope if you watch this video start to end, then you will be able to understand how we can use MS Excel to use the NDT calculation, and at a time we can achieve our goal project, and our NDT will be the finish at a time without holding. So let's start today video tutorial. Let's see how I arrange this video tutorial and how I arrange the NDT calculation by using the MS Excel. Okay, I keep my photos in the one corner, then I discuss about this. Okay, we are seeing this display here, writing the serial number. So here is the for 56 item totals. That means we add the material. What type of material? Actually, this is I have arranged as per my project requirement. Then you can arrange these things as your project requirements. So basic is the same, but you have to arrange yourself as per your project requirement. Okay. As per our project requirement, material was the essential. So CS means carbon steel, then SS means stainless steel, then DSS copper, nickel, and TI. So titanium. So this is the material. Then class was the mandatory or essential. So class 1, class 2, class 3. Then piping service code. So service code also was the essential. The type of weld. So I keep here only part joint because I have done this NDT calculation only for RT or radiography testing. So if you want to calculate your UT or MPI or PT, then you can arrange yourself. Okay, then diameter range was the essential, less than or greater than, then RT percentage. So for example, if my piping system is the UF or fuel oil system, okay, for example, then class 2 piping, so material is the carbon steel. So greater than 0, that means all size I have to done the 10% NDT. So from here total, I found the total joint. So in my project, whatever I received the drawing, that drawing I update in my Excel traceability. So this is my Excel traceability. So from this Excel traceability, I transfer this data to NDT status. So these two I look up each from each other. Okay, so whatever I receive my drawing, as per drawing 1743 joint is the drawing. So as per the joint, I have to done the NDT is the 174 joint or plus 1 joint. Then this is the joint quantity as per drawing. So how many joint I have done the fabrication or erection? So how many joint is the visual inspected? So I check my visual inspection status. 1584 joint is visual completed. Then NDT required against visual inspection. So against visual inspection, I have to done the 158 or plus 1 joint. Then NDT completed, I have done the 176 joint. So we see the NDT backlog. So I have need the 158, I have done the 176, so that means that this entity is covered, overly is covered 11.1%, so result is completed. Okay, so entity backlog, total joints 0, so I don't have any backlog. Okay, so this type of things I have updated here by automatically by using the formula and in Excel. Then okay, then totally I have cover IC, then I have to do the shop join on erection join. I have to check the shop join 10% cover on erection join 10% cover or not, because as per my project requirement, shop join and erection join I have to cover separately. Okay, then I check here is the shop join status. So shop join also I see the total join is shop join as per the drawing 1239. I have to do on 24 join, then visual IC completed on 217 join. The NDT required against visual inspection 122 join, but I have done the NDT completed 140 join, so shop join is cover 11.5%. so I need the 10%, I already cover 11.5%. so this that's all. This is the completed, so showing the result is completed. Okay, same things I have done the here I check erection join status. Okay, erection join I have found the 504 join, so NDT required 50 plus 1, so visual done is the 367 join, then NDT required is the 37 join, so I have done the 36 join, so it still remain I have to do the 1 join, so 9.8% is completed, 0.2% is the backlog. That's why here not showing any data is here. Okay, so I think you understand what I mean and how I calculate this data. Maybe here this data if we update here this Excel traceability is the properly, then this status will come the properly. So during making these things we have to do something, some need to adjust. So how to adjust, what to do, what are the things have to update, I will show you in my next video. So I hope you will understand how you need to calculate the NDT. So if you want to get this video, so must you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the update video. So I want to close this lecture in 2 days here. So Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.